Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, today test is very easy.
Achha, it was easy.
Yes, sir, very easy.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir, very.
In how much time you completed the test?
Sir, in 5 minutes.
5 minutes? 5
Yes,
minutes?
sir. Sir, I was.
How can
Yes,
you do
sir.
it in 5 minutes?
Sir,
I done on
sir, I always do the test
sir
in 5 minutes.
9:20.
Then I do the breakfast and then I click
10
on.
minutes. So 10
How can you
minutes.
do it in 5 minutes? Satakshi, you have to solve the questions. Without solving, you have done the test.
Sir, 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Others? हाँ, गोविंद भारद्वाज बताइए कितने टाइम में किया आपने?
Sir, 15 minutes.
15 मिनट्स में. श्रेय कक्कड़?
Sir, 15 minutes.
15. विशेष?
Sir, 50 minutes or
15 minutes.
because the test is very easy.
अच्छा 15 मिनट भी बहुत कम है बेटा, इतनी जल्दी कैसे कर लिया आप लोगों ने? यू हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन, उनको कैलकुलेशन करनी पड़ती है, कैलकुलेशन करके फिर आंसर आता है। आप लोगों ने आंसर तो लर्न नहीं कर लिए थे? शताक्षी, you learned the answer or what? मैथ्स में आंसर नहीं लर्न करने चाहिए? पता लगा मैंने क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा चेंज कर दिया, नंबर चेंज कर दिए और नया क्वेश्चन दे दिया, तो आप कैसे करेंगे? चलिए, दक्ष मल्होत्रा आइए भाई। दक्ष मल्होत्रा कैसे हैं मल्होत्रा जी?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
What we are doing?
बेटा, how was your exam today? Maths test.
Sir, wonderful.
Wonderful. Full marks आएंगे?
Yes, sir. Sir, but it was not showing marks.
हाँ, yes. ये बात तो सही है. It was not.
Right. Not showing the marks.
I will check it myself, and then I will give you the marks after the duties are over. Okay.
Sir, again and again, its message is coming that host one exception. So what in the Zoom meeting? So again and again, it's coming to me.
Okay. चलिए. Okay, so which chapter we are doing right now in the class? Have you started doing area and perimeter?
So 1 minute. I'm
I
taking
don't
out my
think we
note.
have started it.
So I was not present, so I've seen the video and complete my work. So sir, please wait for 1 minute. I'm telling. No, sir, we have to start it. Area and perimeter. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So we have to start the chapter.
Yes. I
So
know. We have to start the chapter area and perimeter. Okay, so let me show you some videos regarding area and perimeter. Okay, I am showing you a video Just wait a minute. Okay, so watch this video, all of you. Watch the video. I'm sharing it. Is it there on your screen?
Look at this picture.
Sound is there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
The house. Look at this picture. It's the house and a couple of other things surrounded by a fence. The length of the fence is called the perimeter, which is basically the length around a closed figure. The region inside the perimeter is called the area, which is basically the total region enclosed by a plane figure. Here, the house, the well, the haystacks are all on a rectangular surface covered by a fence. The perimeter is defined as the total length around the closed figure.
Do you understand what is perimeter? Naya, what is the concept? Perimeter is the total length of the fence, okay, of any closed figure. Total length of the fence is known as perimeter. So it could be a rectangle, it could be a square. This is the main concept of perimeter. The concept will remain the same. It is always the total what? Total what? Total
Perimeter.
total length around a closed figure. This is written here. Perimeter is total length around a closed figure. Okay.
And the area is the total region enclosed by a plane figure.
टोटल रीजन अंदर कितनी जगह है किसी क्लोज्ड फिगर के अंदर कितनी जगह है दैट मींस द टोटल रीजन एनक्लोज्ड बाय अ प्लेन फिगर दैट इज नोन एज एरिया. तो अंदर कितनी जगह है दैट इज एरिया और बाहर बाहर का केवल हम बॉर्डर अगर देखेंगे द लेंथ ऑफ द लेंथ अराउंड द क्लोज फिगर बाहर बाहर की जो बॉर्डर है उसको अगर हम कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे लेंथ को दैट इज नोन एज पेरीमीटर. ओके.
This total region inside is the area and the length of the fence is the perimeter. Let us look at a rectangle. It is a shape in which the opposite sides are equal and parallel. These two sides are equal and parallel. These two sides are also equal and parallel to each other. Adjacent sides are perpendicular to each other. So all these four angles are right angles. The larger side is called the length. The smaller side is called the breadth. Let us denote the length by the letter L and the breadth by the letter B. So these two sides are L and these two sides are B. This is a rectangular plane and is surrounded by these four sides. So this length in red will be the perimeter. It equals L plus B plus L plus B. That equals 2L plus 2B. 2 is a common factor and hence this can be written as 2 multiplied by L plus B.
Now, what is this? The formula of perimeter of a rectangle. So if you add all the sides of a rectangle, L plus B plus L plus B. देखिए यहाँ से मैंने स्टार्ट करा एक कॉर्नर से आई एम गोइंग ऑल अराउंड द फिगर, फिगर के चारों तरफ मैं घूमूंगा। तो दिस इज एल, दिस इज बी, दिस इज एल एंड दिस इज अगेन बी। तो मैं पूरा घूम करके जब एक राउंड घूम करके वापस उसी जगह पे आ जाता हूँ, so that means I have covered the perimeter of the figure. So this will make L plus B plus L plus B, L plus B plus L plus B. You can see here it is written. So this makes 2 times L, L plus L is 2L and B plus B is 2B. So the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle becomes 2 multiplied by L plus B. Bracket में लिखेंगे L plus B. Okay, it is written here. Understood what is the formula of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle?
Yes, sir.
2 multiplied by L plus B. So if we have a rectangle of length 3 centimeters and breadth 2 centimeters, then the perimeter would equal 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2. That equals 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10 centimeters. All we did is substitute the value of length and breadth here. In a similar way, we can find the formula for the perimeter of a couple of other simple figures. We will cover that next.
So have you understood the basic concept of perimeter of a rectangle?
Yes.
Concept समझ में आ गया? What is the idea of perimeter? क्या होता है? That actually you have understood. Okay, now let us understand what is the meaning of area. वो भी समझते हैं अभी. Okay. What's the next video? At what time this class gets over? This gets over at 1 o'clock. Am I right?
1 a.m.
1 p.m.
Sir, 1 p.m. PM. 1 p.m.
Watch the video. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Look at a square of side 1 centimeter each. Always a good idea to write the length next to the respective side. What is the area of this square? Perimeter can be calculated as 4 multiplied by 1 centimeter equals 4 centimeters. Area of this square is 1 square centimeter. It can also be written as 1 centimeter squared. This area of 1 centimeter squared is the idea to write of side 1 centimeter. To find the areas, it can also be written as 1 centimeter squared. This area of 1 centimeter squared will be the standard unit we use.
So what is area? Area is a little different than perimeter. क्या होता है area? Area is कि अंदर किसी भी कोई भी figure है, if it is a closed figure, उसके अंदर कितनी जगह है? Okay. The region inside a closed figure is known as the area. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For example, they have colored it with yellow color. All this is the area. So this is area. So we can find area of different figures mathematically. हम find कर सकते हैं कि कितना कितना area है कौन सी figure में. We have formulae for that, but first we need to understand what is the main concept of area.
To find the areas of small rectangles or squares. Now let's look at a rectangle of length 5 centimeters and breadth 4 centimeters. To find the area of
Sir, the voice is low.
Keep your mics off.
rectangle, 4 centimeters.
Keep your mics off, all of you.
In the area of district and breadth 4 centimeters. How do we find the area of this rectangle? Let us split 5 centimeters into 5 columns of 1 centimeter each. So we draw 4 lines like these. Distance between any two adjacent vertical lines is 1 centimeter. We split 4 centimeters into rows of 1 centimeter each. We draw 3 lines like these. Even the distance between the horizontal line is 1 centimeter. We have now using structure. We have just drawn lines within the figure. What we got is 20 small squares of size 1 centimeter each. Each of these tiny squares is size
Yes, sir.
1 centimeter, which means we have 20 small squares of area 1 square centimeter. So if we add up the area of each of the 20 squares, we get the total area as 20 square centimeters. This is actually equal to 5 multiplied by 4 square centimeters. That's how we get the formula of the area of a rectangle as length multiplied by breadth. We break the rectangle down to tiny squares of standard size. So if we have a rectangle of length L and breadth B, the area of the rectangle will be L multiplied by B. We have a square of size S centimeters, then the area of the square will be S multiplied by S squared centimeters. That equals S squared centimeters. We get S multiplied by S since the square is another form of a rectangle. It is basically a rectangle with the same length and breadth. Now let's consider the same figure we saw in the earlier video. We have 4 equilateral triangles on the 4 sides of the square in between. The height of the square is given as 5 centimeters. In this example though, we have to find the area of the figure. Since all the triangles are equilateral, the lengths of their sides will be 5 centimeters. So we mark the length of the triangle as 5 centimeters. So the total area of this figure will be the area of the square plus the area of the 4 triangles. For the perimeter, however, we just consider the outer edges and ignore the edges of the square.
That last thing was of no use. Okay, so understood what is the meaning of area? एरिया मतलब अंदर कितनी जगह है किसी भी शेप में. So one method of finding the area is that you
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
one method of finding the area of a rectangle is you make a
Sir, I
small
understand.
small
The
squares
the
बनाए.
area.
So 1 into 1, 1 into 1, all these small squares, सबका area 1 centimeter square, 1 centimeter square होता है. So if you add all these squares, the total number of squares, if you count, you will come to know that what is the area of a rectangle. But that is a very lengthy process. We have a shortcut method of finding the area of a rectangle, which is just multiply the length by its breadth. You will get the total area. गुप्ता जी माइक ऑफ नहीं रखोगे अपना? Okay. So now let's write down the formulae which are required in this chapter. Okay, formulae note करते हैं जो भी हमको जरूरत पड़ेंगे, and then we will start doing the exercises and questions. How many chapters are left in the syllabus? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, कौन से area and
Sir, final.
हाँ, area and perimeter.
Sir, we are doing, sir, answer circles we have done. Triangle, quadrilaterals we have also done.
Volume is left.
Sir, wait. One. Sir, sir, all you have done.
Area and
All
perimeter.
volume is left. Yes, sir.
Area and perimeter and volume. These 2 chapters are left, I think. Only. Others.
Yes, sir.
The other chapters we have done.
Others we have done.
Okay. So very nice. We will be doing these chapters very soon. So let's start writing the formulae. All of you open the chapter in your book. Area and perimeter. It is on page number
Okay, sir.
100 and page number 159. Open 159.
Sir, now we have to write these formulas.
Wait, just a minute. Okay. So now area, this is a lengthy chapter. Huh? How many exercises are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Then
Sir, 5.
So 5 exercises are there.
one more
Yes,
exercise
sir.
which is on perimeter, formula
6.
of measuring perimeter, 4 into side, 2 into L plus B, A plus B plus C. This is very simple. The last
Sir, this.
बेटा माइक गुप्ता जी माइक ऑफ करो यार, इतना डिस्टरबेंस करते हो तुम अपने माइक से। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exercises. Solve the following problems and draw the figure whenever necessary. A triangle piece of paper has a base of 20. How much area do you require? Okay, so let us start doing it. All of you, so start writing the formula, everyone. Open page number 160, all of you. 160 पेज नंबर ओपन करिए। उसमें देखिए एक हेडिंग आपको मिलेगा, फॉर्मूले फॉर मेजरिंग एरिया, ये हेडिंग लिखिए।
Yes, sir. We learned certain formula to measure
and
the area
and then you
of
write down
different
all the
figure books.
then you write down all the formula, सारे फॉर्मूले पहले तो
Okay, sir.
चलिए, और उसके बाद राइट डाउन these 3 formulae are written. एरिया ऑफ एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, तीनों को नोट कर लीजिए। ओके, राइट डाउन। I will also, it is very simple, I will also explain how to do the questions, don't worry.
Sir,
Yes sir.
sir, today math exam is very easy and not difficult also.
अच्छा,
Sir, only you have to say the what is the profit and what is the loss of the profit and loss, and sir, we have to take out the whose is 90 degree. Sir, only this much is there.
So you will score full marks.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good.
Sir, the marks you will show in report card.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Write down all the formula. Okay, have you all written the formula? Now let us start doing the exercise. Okay. अरे कितना टाइम लगाओगे बेटा?
So we have to write which formula?
अरे पेज नंबर 160. ए गुप्ता जी ऐसी बताती तुम. Page number 160. Open it, and
Yes, sir.
there you will see a heading formula for measuring area. So
Okay, sir.
that you have to.
Sir, done.
Okay, so now let's start doing the exercise. First question.
Sir, done. Sir, please see.
Exercise 20.1. A part. First one. You have to find the area of a square whose side is 5 centimeters. The length of the side is given 5 centimeters. We have to find the area. Area
Sir,
का
5 into 4. Sir, 5 into 4.
area is equal to side multiplied by side. This is area.
So means 5 multiply
Area
4.
is equal to
So the
5.
answer is
क्या आंसर आया? 25
20.
centimeter square. Centimeter square is the unit.
So,
ऐसे करके लिखना है आप. सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सेंटीमीटर के ऊपर छोटा सा 2 बना देंगे. Okay. So this is the unit of area. Similarly, look at the second part also. What is the side given in the second part of the square? The side is given 11 meter. इस बार क्या दी हुई है? मीटर. सेंटीमीटर में दिया, मीटर दिया. 11 meter. So area is equal to S into S. साइड इंटू साइड, शॉर्ट में s इंटू s भी लिख सकते हैं। तो एरिया इज इक्वल टू 11 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 11, therefore area equals to 121 meter square, because the length of the side is 11 meter, मीटर में दिए तो हम यहाँ पर मीटर स्क्वायर लिखेंगे, एरिया की यूनिट हो गई मीटर स्क्वायर। आंसर। Similarly to all the parts of this question, जल्दी से करिए,
Okay,
एक
sir.
मिनट में करके दिखाइए फटाफट।